Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Sometimes gastrectomy can cause metabolic complications like folate deficiency can also occur. Actually, this folate deficiency is a rare complication after gastric resection. But this folate deficiency might occur along with iron and vitamin B12 deficiency. It may coexist along with iron and vitamin B12 deficiency. And the treatment of folate deficiency is by dietary supplementation is the treatment of folate deficiency.
thank you and thank you for watching.